D765-24 eastbound. Track 2, he's going back to Sears Siding. If you're wondering why he's going a little it's back. If you're wondering why he's going slower, because he's going back to Sears Siding that's just over that second bridge, that bridge is. And you go back into the Sears Siding. Different crew on this train.
D765-24 East 28 Bridge, Durwood, CSX 438 out.
Yeah, like I said, you're going to stop on the other side on a single. Ask permission to get into Sears Siding. Those bridges is. If you see the signal on the left hand side, Sears Siding is on the right hand side. That's where he comes out, going back in. Hey! I'm trying to stay still as best I can, guys. Yeah, that second bridge, that's where he backs into. Yeah, on the right hand side. That's where he comes out and go back in, like I said before. Alright guys. D765, you look good. Be safe. Have a good night. Alright guys, have a good night guys. See you guys later.